Hi guys, today I'm going to make a spicy chicken biryani. First add cooking oil to the pan. Then add 1 onion. Cook the onions until they're light brown. Now add the ginger and garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want it spicier, add 1 teaspoon. Add 1 tomato. Add 1 sachet of the biryani mix. I take out all the big spices because my kids don't like it, but if you want to, you can leave them in. Then add a whole tin of tomatoes. Stir everything up and let it simmer. Put the lid on and leave it on low heat for 5 minutes until the tomatoes and everything else has gone soft. Now add the boneless chicken. Cook the chicken on high heat for about 10 minutes. When the chicken looks cooked on the inside, put the lid on and leave it on low heat for about 10 minutes. When the chicken looks like this, it means it's ready and it's time to add the coriander. You can now cover it up and turn the gas off. Hard boil 4 eggs so they are ready to be added to the biryani later. In a large pan, fill it halfway with water. Add half a teaspoon of salt. While you are waiting for the water to boil, wash 3 cups of rice. Add the rice to the boiling water. Cook and drain your rice. Make sure your rice is not too soft. Leave the rice in a sieve. Cut up 1 small lemon to add to the biryani. This part is optional. In the pan you made the rice in, layer each ingredient. First add the rice, then the chicken, then the lemon, and you can also add the egg. I didn't add the egg because my son's allergic to it, so I kept that in a separate bowl for whoever would like it later on. Keep repeating the same process until all the ingredients are finished. Cover with a lid and keep it on low heat for 5 minutes. Now slowly fold everything together until it's well combined. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. I upload every week. Bye!